Like, we just upgraded our entire fleet of vehicles.
Yes, we did. They're beautiful, beautiful trucks. You know, you got the deck slide outs coming off of the tailgate, the overhead automatic locking, overhead storage shelves. I'm a short guy, so it's also got a little, kickstand that comes out the back.
Yeah, and I love the
details.
I love the kickstand. It makes me feel like I'm starting a motorcycle. Like every time I use it, and it's just, we just try to make it as easy for the technicians as possible. And it's a good fit all around. It's a good fit for techs, good fit for the company, it's a good fit for our customers, better gas mileage. And they're Ram trucks, quad cab. We didn't skimp on like the infotainment system, so it's got the nice 8-inch screen, LCD screen, wireless CarPlay, and it's a 3500, so the payload's 7,000 pounds. Upgraded brakes, upgraded tires, upgraded suspension.
We look good, we feel good, do good work all around, just beautiful package for sure.